A guy from Chengdu saw our restoration video and instantly got fired up. He brought in his car with only 700,000 kilometers on it, a 1998 Desert Little Prince, for a full restoration. His requirements weren't high, he just wanted it to last another generation. But honestly, the car's condition was a real headache. The owner casually said, "No worries, just replace whatever's bad." So let's see how we turn this into something amazing and bring it back to its peak. The exterior is already dull and worn out with no shine left at all, and the interior isn't any better. The engine, transmission, and many small issues still need attention. This time, we're taking the interior from torn and worn to a full velvet wrap upgrade. Enough talk, let's enjoy the full restoration process, starting with teardown. Return to workstation. Wash this local specialty clean. Gas prices are not cheap now. Cleaning it thoroughly will definitely reduce fuel consumption. Then use a special degreaser to remove the oil. All local specialties should be unloaded to reduce the burden on the area. Cleaning is now complete. And next, we study the repair plan for the engine and transmission. We identified the problem, and this time the engine does not need a full teardown. Instead, we will focus on treating the worn areas locally. After removing the camshaft and other components, we proceed with ultrasonic cleaning. Engine accessory reinstallation. Next, we move on to the transmission, and after ultrasonic cleaning, we begin reassembly. Gearbox assembly completed. All major rubber bushings are replaced with new ones and the wiring is neatly organized. Then we begin the most impressive part, the body shell preparation. The stripped down chassis is carefully sanded and refined, including the engine bay. At that time, all the smelly carpets and asphalt were removed. Two layers of cleaning and disassembly accessories. Start processing the underlying layer. The body shell is sprayed with primer and applied evenly to every single area. The car is rolled out for inspection, and then the primer is sanded again for a smoother finish. We begin spraying the water-based paint, and the color coat is carefully applied for better coverage. This step also determines the overall tone, and it must be handled with absolute precision, leaving no room for mistakes. The instrument panel frame and small screws all need to be refurbished. Versatile and clear spraying enhances the overall texture. Multiple baking cycles are carried out, and only when this level of finish is achieved is it considered up to standard. spray-painted chassis armor. That's double-layer sound insulation. The removed air conditioning interior lining is being installed, and this time, everything is done in one step without cutting corners. The treated chassis components are reinstalled, and the body shell assembly begins. Final paint polishing and finishing work is carried out, and every detail is carefully refined and repeatedly corrected. Gold plating on the paint adds texture. The paint shine now rivals a brand new car, and the interior is fully wrapped in velvet material. It's very comfortable to do now. After completing all tests, we waste no time and take a look at the final result. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.